This is Glenn Scott, the painter, here in Sun City, Arizona. I'm at the home of Lynda. We're gonna do her cabinets. They're gonna be painted the color taupe teas by Behr Paint. Anyway, we have Lynda's cabinet doors at the shop, getting ready to sand. Here's the sanding area. Anyway, everything's ready to go. The doors are all sanded, so are the drawer fronts. Get them down to the raw wood as much as possible. And what we always do, we take the screws, put them in a bucket, and then we take the hinge. When we take it off the door, we number it with the door. So that way there, if the hinge has any adjustments, you don't have to worry about that when you hang it back up. Okay, we made a new spray booth in the shop. Yep. And outside the booth is a drying rack. Sweet. Here we are in Lynda's kitchen. Everything is primed. Here we are finished with Lynda's cabinets. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, a little better, huh? Turned out good.